Greetings and salutations. Well, we're off to the city of sin and debauchery to drop off this welder and then pick apart. Care to join me? Let's go. Now we wait. Much better. That's why I hate coming to Vegas. Oh, the traffic, God. Let's see where the f this guy's at. Hey.
Got everything?
Yep.
Cool. Works everything, no problem, right?
Last time you used it was June. This shit here.
Cool, cool. Well, I'll go get the money and I'll have the guys start.
Alright.
Okay? Yeah.
Oh, silly me. Been out here for 2 hours and I forgot to pull my camera out and start shooting some video. But I got parts. Air box, battery box, another gauge cluster, a bumper, and a hood in a pear tray. Let's go pay for this crap. Get the hell out of here. Oh, home sweet home. And there's my booty. He said booty. Now I need a bite to eat. I'm starving.
2 hours later.
That welder sale was a little bit on guard about getting scammed. You know, that's one thing that sucks about this area, Vegas in particular. There's a lot of people that would just rather scam you than look at you sideways. So what you didn't hear in that exchange with the employees that helped me unload that, we got it all on the cart, and they were starting to roll the thing in the shop, and I said, whoa there guys, don't go anywhere with that quite yet. I haven't gotten paid for it. It's not like you don't know where we're at. Yeah. What am I gonna do? You roll the thing in the shop and say GFY. But so I don't know when this video is going to get uploaded. The video that I intended for you to see on Saturday didn't upload Friday night, and I had to get on the road to Vegas by 9 o'clock, and it was still uploading at 9 o'clock. So when I got home at, I don't know what time was it, 4ish, the upload had failed again. So it's 7 o'clock right now, and it's still uploading and likely will fail again. That would be the third time. So you might get 2 videos in one day. Bonus. For tonight, I think I'm done. I gotta run up to the store. Daddy's job is never done. I gotta run up to the store and get some AA batteries for my son, because he cannot play Fortnite on his Xbox without batteries for his remote control. So I'm off again. If you like this video, hammer away at that like button and share this with your vast social media network. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. It's underneath this window. It's red, big. Click on it. It turns gray, I think. And then if you click that sub button, go right next to it. There's a picture of a bell. Click that one too. Check all the boxes and click all the things so that you too can be notified of future uploads. Got any questions or comments, down in the comment section. Tomorrow's video, we're going to attempt to do a little bit of mine exploring. Come along with us. I think the whole family's going this time. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry. Have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.